All right, amazing afternoon to all our learners, teachers, and enthusiasts. Magandang hapon, Tutor Rainier, and welcome back sa ating session ngayon sa ikawalong linggo ng third quarter. Kumusta po, Tutor Rainier?
Okay naman, Tutor Ichad, at nakahabol tayo kasi galing ako ng school at talagang sinikap ko, Tutor Ichad, na makasama ka ngayong week 8 natin. Siyempre, ang dami ko lang na-miss na weeks, no? Pero maraming salamat pa rin, Tutor Ichad, dahil naituloy mo rin kahit solo flight ka sa mga weeks na nandun tayo sa ibang lugar, Tutor Ichad. Kumusta ka, Tutor Ichad, ngayon?
Ayan, Tutor Rainier, no, napaka-busy natin sa sunod-sunod na mga pagbabalik ng face-to-face. Siyempre, limited face-to-face kasama ang aming paaralan at nagbalik na rin. At syempre, Tutor Rainier, no, gusto kitang i-congratulate sa success ng ating Educational Technology Unit, especially ang grupo ninyo sa Google for Education, dyan sa DepEd ETU. Ayan, success ng inyong mga kinakandak na training, online and face-to-face. Syempre, di ba? Alam ko, kagagaling lang ni Tutor Rainier sa Sagada, ayan sa Mount. Tama ba,
Yes.
Tutor Rainier, no? Cordilleras.
Yes, Tutor Richard. At marami rin salamat sa mga umaten po doon sa SDO Mountain Province, no, ng mga districts at sa buong division ng Mountain Province na talaga nila, very accommodating, very warm, kahit malamig yung klima. Yung pagtanggap nila, Tutor Richard, napaka-warm talaga. Kaya maraming salamat and congratulations po sa mga teachers po from SDO Mountain Province at sisikapin namin makabalik po kami ng EdTech unit dyan sa inyong lugar. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, ayan. Thank you and congratulations again, Tutor Rainier. No? So, ang dami nating gustong batiin na nasa ating comment section at patuloy lang na pumapasok ang ating mga learners, teachers, and mga enthusiasts natin na patuloy na nakatutok sa atin tuwing Lunes ng hapon dito sa EdTech Unit. Sisimulan natin, Tutor Rainier. Share ko lang po ang aking screen. Nakashare na po ba?
Nakashare na, Tutor Ichan.
Ayan, Tutor Rainier. Thank you so much, Tutor Rainier. At syempre, no, ang ating Science 10 ay napapanood tuwing Lunes ng hapon, alas 3 hanggang alas 3:40. Kasama syempre ang inyong Tutor Ichad mula sa SDO Malabon City at
syempre naman ang inyong Tutor Rainier from Manuel Luis Quezon High School, SDO Caloocan City.
Yes, at ang ating session ay napapanood live na live tuwing Lunes ng hapon sa Facebook page ng DepEd Itulay at YouTube channel ng DepEd Itulay, DepEd Philippines at DepEd EdTech Unit. Ayan. So, Tutor Rainier, meron tayong 1 minuto. Magsimula ka na. Ikaw na po ang mauna, Tutor Rainier, para i-showcase nila ang kanilang mga sharer badge, i-comment ang kanilang pangalan, paaralan at ang kanilang division. Tutor Rainier.
Ayan. So, meron ako dito mga pagbati, no, from, of course, ang ating loyal viewer, Philip Ray El Mancera. Amazing afternoon watching here from Quirino National High School, Quirino District, Grade 10 Curriculum, and Grade 10 Aphrodite. Meron din tayong pagbati mula kay Precious Lara Lino Reyes. Good day, watching here from Quirino National High School, Quirino District, Grade 10 Curriculum, and 10 Hermes. And Kyla Jane Julian Tuliao, Grade 10 Section Apollo from Quirino National High School. Faith Sugitan, good afternoon po. Watching and listening from San Mariano National High School, SDO Isabela. Jamelyn Faith and Sugitan, Grade 10 Marangal Subject Teacher, Mrs. Marivic D. Castillo, Advisor, Mrs. Lay A. Gonzalez. Ikaw naman, Tutor Richard, konting time na lang pala.
Yes, okay lang, Tutor Rainier. Maraming salamat sa mga tutors na nakatutok sa atin ngayong hapon. Ma'am Melo mula sa Pulong Buhangin National High School, kay Tutor Cap Ram, ayan, ng Math 5 ay nakatutok rin sa atin ngayon at pinapapasok na ang ating mga learners. So, tuloy lang po ng pagpasok at umaangat ang ating mga organic viewers ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat.
Ayan.
I-share po ang ating session. Ayan, meron tayong surprise ngayon. Siyempre, Tutor Rainier, na hindi lang talaga week 8 discussion ang magaganap ngayong hapon, Tutor Rainier. Pag-uusapan natin ng biodiversity and stability ng mabilis, pero magkakaroon din tayo, Tutor Rainier, ng drum roll. Di ba? Recognition Day. Ayan. So, i-recognize natin, Tutor Rainier, ang ating mga mahusay tuties, mahusay teachers, at mahusay schools of the quarter. Ayan, Tutor Rainier. Pero syempre, bago natin sila i-recognize, simulan muna natin ang ating napakaikli lang na discussion para sa natitirang lesson ngayong third quarter. Again, ang title ng ating quarter 3, week 8 ay Biodiversity and Stability. Ayan, Tutor Rainier.
At maraming salamat din po sa ating management team po na gumawa po ng SLM Science Quarter 3 Module 8 Biodiversity and Stability from Department of Education Region 1. Ito po ay mula sa City of San Fernando, La Union. Maraming salamat po sa writers, editors, reviewers, illustrator, layout artist, and buong management team ng ating SLM. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you so much. At syempre, simulan na natin ang ating most essential learning competencies. Isa lang yan, syempre, no? Explain
Yes.
how species diversity increases the probability of adaptation and survival of organisms in changing environments. Na may code na S10LT-3H-41. So we hope and we believe na ma-meet natin yung pinakahuling milk ngayong quarter na to, Tutor Rainier. Ayan, syempre. Tutor Rainier, ano po bang ating mga reminders?
Ito, meron tayong mga few reminders. Number 1, take the pretest prepared at the start of the module. Take time in reading and understanding the lesson. Follow instructions carefully. And use a clean sheet of paper for your answer in each activity or assessment. And we also have tried to recall and connect the ideas that you had in the lower years. Ano pa, Tutor Ichad, ang ating mga reminders?
Yes, thank you, Tutor Rainier. Number 5, be honest when doing the activities. Record only what you have really observed. Don't hesitate to ask. If you need to clarify something, approach or contact your teacher. Number 7, take the post-test prepared at the end of the module. And you can check your answers in the activities, self-assessments, and post-test, no? Sa likod ng inyong ginagamit na module. Tutor Rainier, meron tayong Science 10 in 1 minute. Complete review mula sa week 1 to 3. Tama po ba ako, Tutor Rainier?
Yes, Tutor Ichad, at ginawa natin ang ating mga Science 10 learners, enthusiasts, and teachers ng simpleng recall review para sa ating quarter 3, weeks 1 to 3. So panoorin po natin.
This is Tutor Rainier and this is Science 10 in 1 minute for quarter 3, week 1. The endocrine system is composed of glands that secrete different types of hormones that affect almost every cell, organ, and function of our body. Hormones are organic substances released by the glands of the endocrine system directly into the bloodstream. Hormones can change the physiological and metabolic behaviors of their target cells to maintain homeostasis. The major endocrine glands in the body are the pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. The role of hormones in female and male reproductive systems. Reproduction is a normal process controlled by hormones. These hormones keep both the male and female reproductive systems functioning properly. The pituitary gland controls the functions of both the testes and ovaries. In the male reproductive system, the pituitary gland releases follicle-stimulating hormone or FSH and luteinizing hormone LH. As the FSH enters the testes, it stimulates the Sertoli cells that are responsible for nourishing the sperm cells that the testes produce to facilitate the process of sperm production. Also, LH enters the testes to stimulate the interstitial cells called the Leydig cells to make and release testosterone into the testes and the blood. The hormone testosterone is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics and stimulates the process of sperm production in the testes. In the female reproductive system, the follicles produce estrogen that controls the growth and release of eggs from the ovaries. Together with it is another hormone known as progesterone, which prepares the uterus so that the fertilized eggs can grow in it. Progesterone is also responsible for preventing muscle contraction of the uterus that can use the egg to attach from the uterus. This is Tutor Rainier and this is Science 10 in 1 minute. See you next week. This is Tutor Rainier and this is Science 10 in 1 minute for quarter 3, week 2. Menstruation is a sign that a girl is capable of producing offspring. The menstrual cycle is a series of changes during which an egg matures and the uterus is prepared for a possible pregnancy. Feedback system. The menstrual cycle entails a biological feedback system that regulates the activities of the structures involved in the processes. The menstrual cycle is influenced by the endocrine system through the complex interaction of the hypothalamus, pituitary, and gonads. These are reproductive or sex organs, specifically the ovaries and the testes. The follicular phase starts on day 1 of the menstruation and ends with the ovulation, day 14. The brain, anterior pituitary, sends the follicle-stimulating hormones or FSH to the ovaries to signal follicles to grow and mature. These follicles produce estrogen, and estrogen acts on the uterus to stimulate the thickening of the endometrium, the uterine lining. When estrogen peaks, it signals the brain to release luteinizing hormone or LH that triggers ovulation. Ovulation occurs mid-cycle, around 2 weeks or so before menstruation starts. On this day, the mature egg from the follicle travels from the ovary down to the fallopian tube and into the uterus. If fertilization does not occur during this phase, the egg continues to the uterus and dies within 6 to 24 hours. The luteal phase includes the day after the ovulation to the day before the next period. During the luteal phase, LH and FSH levels decrease. Once it releases its egg, the empty follicle develops into a new structure called the corpus luteum, which produces progesterone. If the egg isn't fertilized, the corpus luteum degenerates and the estrogen level decreases. The menstrual cycle can continue in a woman for about 40 years, stopping temporarily during pregnancy and resumes after giving birth. This is Tutor Rainier, and this is Science 10 in 1 minute. See you next week. This is Tutor Rainier, and this is Science 10 in 1 minute for Quarter 3, Week 3. The nervous system is your body's decision and communication center. The central nervous system receives and processes all the information from all parts of the body. In other words, it controls the entire organ system of the body. The brain is the control center of the nervous system. It has 3 main parts: the forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain. Moreover, it is divided into 3 main regions: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. The spinal cord is about 40 to 50 centimeters long. Through it, the brain and the body became interconnected. Composing the nerve tissues of the cord is a gray and white matter. The spinal cord transmits impulses all over the body to and from the brain. It is also responsible for involuntary movements. The peripheral nervous system contains all the nerves outside the brain and the spinal cord. It carries impulses from the sensory nerves to the central nervous system and from the central nervous system to the motor nerves. The PNS is further subdivided into 2 or more divisions: the somatic and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system regulates the activities that are under conscious control. It includes all the nerves controlling the muscular system and external sensory receptors. Specifically, these receptors refer to the external sense organs: the eyes, ears, nose, skin, and the tongue. This is the part of the peripheral nervous system which includes the motor neurons that control the internal organs. This means that the ANS regulates all the activities that are considered as involuntary or those reflexes that are done without conscious will. Sympathetic nervous system. It is known as the fight or flight response, which controls the internal functions of the body in times of stress. Parasympathetic nervous system. It is known as the rest and digest, which is the opposite of the sympathetic nervous system. It controls the internal functions at rest. This is Tutor Rainier, and this is Science 10 in 1 minute for Quarter 3, Week 3. See you next week.
Yan, natapos din.
Yes. Thank you so much, Tutor Rainier. Ayan, at syempre, no, na-review tayo kahit paano mula sa unang 3 linggo ng ating pinag-aralan ngayong 3rd quarter. Thank you so much, Tutor Rainier, sa ating comment section. Magpasalamat naman tayo kay Tutor Rainier para sa ating Science 10 in 1 minute review. Thank you so much, Tutor Rainier.
You're welcome, Tutor Ichad. Okay, ito naman ang ating pag-aaralan today, no, Tutor Ichad, no, sa biodiversity and stability. So let me read lang, Tutor Ichad. Every organism has a unique ecosystem within which it lives its natural habitat. This is where its basic needs to survive are met. So ito yung mga kailangan natin, no? We have the food, water, shelter from the changing weather and climate and place to breed its offspring. And habitats are constantly changing and evolving, and animals living within must constantly adapt to environmental changes, big or small. So dito pinapakita natin, Tutor Ichad, yung konsepto ng biodiversity and stability. Although marami na nangyayaring pagbabago because of climate change at global warming, so kailangan inaaral pa rin natin at pinapaintindi natin sa bata na ang mga organisms ay merong tong basic needs to survive, at ang kailangan din niya ay yung habitat na constantly changing and evolving.
Yes, thank you so much, Tutor Rainier. Pumunta tayo sa next part, no, which is all about adaptation. In connection sa diniscuss ni Tutor Rainier kanina, adaptation is all about survival. When the environment dramatically changes, some animals move to other places, others die, and some develop adaptations over generations to survive. So etong mga bahagi na pinag-aaral natin ngayon sa part ng biodiversity and stability are just the connections of what we've discussed mainly no sa part ng pag-aaral ng sources of evidences for evolution, and
Yes.
dun sa part, Tutor Rainier, na pinag-aralan natin last week kung saan nakita natin yung occurrence ng evolution. Ayan. So yung
Evolution.
adaptation pala, Tutor Rainier, no, is one of the sole element talaga na pwede nating makita for survival. And animals, Tutor Rainier, have variety of ways to adapt to their environment. So napakadami palang halimbawa. Example niya, no, ay nahati no sa dalawang inclusion, katulad ng structural na tinatawag or physical, at ikalawa naman ay yung tinatawag natin na behavioral. Ayan. Tutor Rainier, ano po ba ang structural or physical na adaptation?
Ito naman mga structural or physical adaptation using body structures to help an animal survive. So gumagamit sila ng camouflage, yung pagbabago ng color, ina-adapt nila yung kanilang kulay doon sa kanilang environment. Mimicry. So ginagaya nila ang certain scene sa isang surrounding para makasurvive at hindi sila makain ng kanilang mga malalaking animals. Chemical defenses, may mga animals din tayo, Tutor Ichad, na may mga chemical defenses sa kanilang katawan para makapag-survive at maprotektahan ang kanyang sarili. And also body coverings. And ito, na-discuss na to sa mga elementary subjects din natin, particularly sa science subjects, no? Ito mga body coverings at lalo na yung camouflage at mimicry.
Yes, Tutor Rainier. Ayan, katulad ng nabanggit ni Tutor Rainier no ngayon lang, no? Yang mga yan ay bahagi talaga actually ng fundamental topics ng elementary science.
Yes,
But now, no,
totoo.
syempre gusto natin mas naliman pa, Tutor Rainier, kahit konti lang naman. Ayan, so isa-isahin natin ang mga halimbawa ng structural or physical adaptation. Una dyan, yung binanggit ni Tutor Rainier, camouflage, mapapansin natin, no, yung chameleon. Ayan. So it's a defense mechanism or tactic that organisms use to disguise their appearance, usually to blend in with their surroundings. So mapapansin natin, no, kung tayo ay ilan sa mga pwedeng humuli or kumuha ng chameleon, no, so hindi yan siya basta-basta makikita dahil siya ay blend niya, Tutor Rainier, tama, no, sa kung ano yung kulay din ng kanyang surroundings. Ayan. So may malaki siyang pagkakaiba, para ring sa frog, no, similar yung kanyang kulay sa damo kung saan po pwedeng makita siya or sa gilid ng ilog. Ayan. So, camouflage ang tawag sa ganong klase ng defense mechanism. Tutor Rainier, ano po ang susunod?
Ito naman yung mimicry, ability of an organism to imitate and copycat another species in terms of sound, appearance, smell, behavior, or location to protect itself. It also refers to the resemblance of an animal species to another species or to natural objects. So dito example natin, Tutor Ichad, ay butterfly. So minimimic niya o kinakopy niya yung sound, appearance, smell, behavior, kung anything na related dun sa surrounding para protektahan niya yung sarili niya at para hindi siya makain ng mga predator.
Yes, no, para siyang Tutor Rainier, para siyang owl, no. So
matatakot
yung iba sa kanya na parang lumapit. Parang ganyan din sa mga praying mantis, no, Tutor Rainier, parang hindi sila agad makikita dahil para silang pag nakatungtong sila sa sanga ng puno,
para silang sticks, na?
Yes, para lang din silang sticks. So mimicry ang tawag natin sa ganun.
Yes.
Binimimic nila, ini-imitate or kinakopy nila yung other species in terms of this kind of sound, appearances, smell, etc.
Tama, Tutor Ichad.
Yes, thank you, Tutor Rainier. Number 3, no, defense, yung chemical defenses na tinatawag nila include substances utilized by prey which are harmful to invading organisms. Katulad niyan, di ba? Pag ang skunk, Tutor Rainier, so kahit na parang masarap siyang kainin ng ilang mga animals sa wild, di ba? Hindi siya basta-basta nalalapitan dahil sa kanyang amoy. So ilan yan sa mga halimbawa talaga, yung pag-spray ng skunk ng talagang yung cocktail na amoy na parang hindi mo talaga siya gustong malapitan. So parang hindi ka rin magkakaroon ng interest na siya ay kainin. Ayan, Tutor Rainier.
Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Tutor Ichad, ang smell niya ay pungent. Parang adjective na parang mapanghe. So hindi mo talaga siya malapitan at ayaw mo siyang maamoy man lang o lumapit sa kanya kasi sobrang panghinga ni skunk. Ito naman, body coverings, cover the body and protect animals from external factors. Yan, yung carapace ng turtle, no? So para protektahan ang sarili niya, syempre napaka-soft ng kanyang body. Kaya protektado siya ng carapace. Kaya ito, ang isa sa mga body coverings ng yung turtle na nasa example natin.
Yes. Bukod dyan, no, Tutor Rainier, meron din yung iba like sa shells, di ba? Dahil sa
Yes.
kanilang mga soft body parts nun. So, hindi sila po pwedeng basta palangoy-langoy lang kung saan.
Oo,
No?
yes.
So, para hindi sila agad makain. So, body coverings din, included rin sila sa body coverings. Ayan. Thank you, Tutor Rainier. Punta tayo sa ikalawang uri ng adaptation, which is behavioral. Behavioral or how animals respond or act to life needs. Behavioral adaptation could be instinctive or happen naturally. So may tatlong uri tayo niyan. Hibernation, migration, and learned behavior. So Tutor Rainier, ano po ba yung hibernation?
Ayan, so naririnig na rin natin yan simula nung elementary tayo. Pag sinabi nag-hibernate yung isang animals bear sleep as a response to cold weather and survive the cold winter. So yung bear, meron itong hibernation period na kung saan talagang literally natutulog siya para sa response ng cold weather. Kasi para maka-conserve ng energy. Kaya hindi niya ginagamit. Of course, ano ba ginagawa ni bear? Lagi siya nag-hunt ng pagkain. So
Yes.
kailangan din niyang mag-hibernate para maka-conserve ang kanyang energy. Nangyayari lang ito, science and learners usually kapag cold weather or cold winter.
Yes, thank you so much, Tutor Rainier. Ikalawa, syempre, no, migration. So, a behavioral adaptation that involves an animal or group of animals traveling from one place to another and then back again when seasons change. Actually, birds, di ba? Parang isa sa mga sikat dyan ay yung mga migratory birds na pumupunta sa part ng Bulacan at Pampanga, Tutor Rainier, sa part ng Central Luzon. Lalo na especially kapag nagkakaroon na nung amihan na season, na kung
Correct.
saan sobrang lamig na talaga ng ibang bahagi, no, sa Northern Hemisphere yan, na sobrang lamig na doon. So yung mga birds sa mga bansa na yon, especially from Japan, China, Russia, Mongolia,
Nagmamigrate sila.
yes, nagmamigrate sila, panandalian dito sa atin,
Yes.
para kahit paano ay mainitan sila dahil hindi naman tayo nakakaranas ng winter season, di ba? So, dito sila nagpapahinga sa atin at certain period, no, pag nagbumalik na sa tamang season, tsaka rin sila ulit
Yes.
babalik sa kanilang lugar. Nakakalungkot lang kasi may mga balita dyan na napapanood tayo na hinuhuli at kinukuha yan at pinoprotektahan naman particularly, Tutor Rainier, ng ating Department of Environment and Natural Resources sa mga migratory birds na to na bumibisita sa kagandahan ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Ayan. Last one, Tutor Rainier.
Ito naman ay learned behavior. These animal behaviors are obtained and acquired by interacting with the environment and cannot be passed on to the next generation except by teaching. Examples are swimming, playing, walking, and jumping. Yan. Ibig sabihin, very innate na sa mga ducks ang talagang mag-swim, mag-play, mag-walk,
Yes.
at mag-jump. So ito ay natututunan nila by simply obtaining and acquiring sa interaction nila sa environment. And sabi nga, cannot be passed on to the next generation except by teaching. Yan.
Yes.
At
Thank you.
nakakatuwa yung tutor, no, Ichad yung ducks. Pag nakita nila yung mother duck nila,
Yes.
yung sinusundan talaga nila. And innate na sa kanila ang mag-swim talaga. Kahit
Yes,
bata
totoo
pa
yan,
sila.
Tutor Rainier. At syempre, katulad na nabanggit dyan, no, acquired yan by interacting, cannot be passed. No? So parang ilan din sa mga learned behaviors kasi na po pwede nating mabasa ay yung sa aso.
Yes.
Bakit kaya nating
Oo.
maturuan ng aso ng mga tricks na tinatawag, di ba? So may mga pet tricks tayo sa aso na po pwede
Yes.
nilang magawa. So learned behavior, kasama yon sa behavioral adaptation, sa under learned behaviors na po pwede namang makuha at ma-acquire ng isang aso pero hindi pa rin natin sure na po pwedeng mapasa niya for the next generation except kung ituturo, di ba, Tutor Rainier? Ayan. So nag-end ang ating lesson sa biodiversity.
Yun na. End na yun. Nakakabitin naman.
Parang nakakabitin pero gusto natin na maaral pa nila ano ba yung meron sa
Yes.
biodiversity values na tinatawag, Tutor Rainier,
Yes.
mga limiting factors about population. So dahil medyo talagang
Madami
kulang na
pa.
kulang tayo sa oras at next week ay meron tayong sobrang habang holidays, di ba?
Oo,
Meron
yes.
tayong
May break tayo.
Holy Week. Yes,
Holy
may
Week break.
Yes, Tutor Rainier. At syempre, no, magpapahinga rin tayo sa ating session. Pero pagbalik natin, fourth quarter na at talaga nga namang sana matumbok na natin lahat ng ating mga lesson, Tutor Rainier. Syempre, punta na tayo, Tutor Rainier, sa ating napaka-exciting na third quarter recognition dito sa atin sa Science 10, Tutor Rainier. Sige, Tutor Rainier, uunahin ko nang i-announce para mas mabilis ang ating mahusay cuties of the quarter ngayong third quarter. And kalahati lang akin, Tutor Rainier, tapos bibigay ko po sa iyo after ko po. Ayan.
Okay.
Para hati tayo. Medyo marami-rami sila. So, congratulate natin sa ating comment section ang ating mga mahusay cuties ngayong third quarter. Una dyan, mula sa Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, Sayan Antoinette G. Cortez. Mula naman sa Ramon National High School, SDO Isabela, si Harry L. Ira. Ayan, congratulations! Third, mula sa Macabebe High School, Schools Division Office ng Pampanga, Rainiel M. Manabat. Rainiel Manabat de Vera. Ayan. Tama, Rainiel Manabat de Vera. Congratulations, Rainiel. Ayan. Quirino National High School, SDO Isabela. Ayan na, may pa-background music si Tutor Rainiel.
Nilagyan ko na lang sound.
Philip Ray II L. Mancera. Congratulations, Philip! Ayan. Mula sa Masagitsit, Banalo National High School, SDO Batangas, Jude Michael B. Jansalin. Ayan. Mula naman sa Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, Maria Janelle A. Catalig. Congratulations! Next, mula sa Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, James Stephen P. Caones. Congratulations, James. At po, estudyante ni Cap Ram, no, Tutor Ram, mula sa Doña Magdalena H. Gafford High School, SDO Isabela, si Ruela Jean A. Dayag. Congratulations. Last two sa akin, Tutor Rainier. Mula sa Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, estudyante ni Tutor Marky. Congratulations. Princess Ira N. Lakap. And mula pa rin sa Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, Stephanie Gail G. Valdez. Last one, Tutor Rainier. At mula sa Partida National High School, estudyante ni Ma'am Sariza May Luris mula sa SDO Bulacan, si Kaizel E. Fajardo. Tutor Rainier, sino pa ang ating mga mahusay tuties of the third quarter?
Ayan, so maumahabol din sa ating mahusay tuties of the quarter from Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, Andrea Nicole M. Gonzalez. Congratulations. And we also have from Ocampo National High School, SDO Camarines Sur, Gerald S. Cultivo. Congratulations, Gerald. We also have, meron pa ba, Tutor Richard? Yan. From Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, Stephanie Dwayne Cashmere O. Yambao. Congratulations. And from the Ramon National High School, SDO Isabela, teacher niya si Ma'am Donna Jill Cariazo, si Ann Tricia May L. Estocapio. Congratulations. Yan, meron din tayo from Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan. Kung ako nagkakamali kay Teacher Marky, yes, si Kerzia Leona K. Marin. Congratulations. Meron din tayo from Ramon National High School, SDO Isabela, Angel Rose R. Dasilio. Congrats. From San Mariano National High School Main Campus, SDO Isabela, Harchi R. Dansalan. Congratulations. Of course, we have from Quirino National High School, SDO Isabela, Precious Lara L. Reyes. Congratulations. We also have from Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, Janice M. Gahudo. Congrats. From Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School, SDO Camarines Sur, Micaela M. Solomon. Congratulations. Of course, from
Rainier.
Yes. Last but definitely not the least, Macabebe High School, SDO Pampanga, mahusay tuty of the quarter, Reggie Russell A. Sunga. Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations sa ating mga mahusay tuties of the third quarter.
Nakakatuwa naman.
Palakpakan natin, Tutor Rainier. Ang dami ko nababasa sa ating comment section na congratulations at nagpapasalamat silang lahat. Ganun din sa kanilang mga teachers, sila Teacher Donna Jill Cariaso. Ayan, nagpapasalamat. Hello po sa iyo, Ma'am Donna Jill. Siyempre, speaking of Ma'am Donna Jill, Tutor Rainier, no, i-award naman natin ngayon ang ating mahusay teachers of the third quarter. Ganun pa rin, Tutor Rainier. Tikalati tayo para dahil medyo marami-rami naman sila. Simulan na natin ang ating mga mahusay teachers of the quarter ngayong third quarter recognition. Una, syempre, Ma'am Donna Jill C. Cariazo mula sa Ramon National High School, Schools Division Office, Isabela. Congratulations po, Ma'am Donna Jill. Next naman, Tutor Marky. Yan, si Tutor Marky, Mark Kevin L. Olimbang mula sa Santa Lucia National High School, Schools Division Office ng Bulacan. Thank you and congratulations, Tutor Marky. Next, we have from Canaan East National High School, Schools Division Office, Nueva Ecija, si Teacher Rowena R. de Guzman. Ma'am Weng, maraming salamat po and congratulations.
Thank you.
Next, mula sa Ranyag High School, SDO Isabela, si Teacher Crisel Hope P. Ladignon. Thank you po, Ma'am Crisel, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Next, we have from Pulong Buhangin National High School, SDO Bulacan, si Teacher Melody H. De La Cruz. Teacher Melo, thank you and congratulations. Ayun, alam ko nanonood si si Ma'am Melo ngayon sa atin ngayong hapon, Tutor Rainier. Congratulations po ulit. Next, mula sa Partida National High School, SDO Bulacan, si Teacher Sariza May S. Luris. Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations, Ma'am Sariza. Alam ko, minsan si Ma'am Sariza ay nakatutok sa atin, no? At talagang inaantabayanan ng kanyang mga learners mula sa Partida National High School.
Yes.
Thank you po and congratulations.
Thank you.
Mula pa rin sa Pulong Buhangin National High School, SDO Bulacan, Teacher Francis May C. Balahadya. Thank you, Ma'am Francis May, and congratulations po.
Thank you po.
Next, syempre, ang ating kasamahang tutor sa Math 5 mula sa Doña Magdalena H. Gafford High School, Schools Division Office ng Isabela, si Teacher Tutor Cap Ramhale C. Gafford. Ayan. Thank you, Tutor Ram, and congratulations po. Ayan. Next,
Salamat,
Tutor
Cap.
Ranger, last na sa akin, mula sa Kaong National High School, SDO Cavite Province, si Teacher Norwell D. De Los Reyes. Thank you po. And last na pala sa akin, Tutor Rainier, may isa pa pala.
Go.
Si Teacher Lita H. De Castro mula sa Santo Niño National High School, SDO Batangas City. Ayan, Teacher Lita, maraming salamat po. Ayun,
Maraming salamat po.
yan sa akin si Ma'am regarding sa pagpapanood niya sa kanilang mga learners ng ating session. Tutor Rainier, sino po ang ating mga mahusay Teachers of the Quarter awardees?
Ayan, ito pa ang ating half ng mahusay Teacher of the Quarter awardees from Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School, SDO Camarines Sur, Teacher Danny Boy C. Albo. Sir Danny Boy, congratulations po. Next, we also have from San Mariano National High School Main Campus, SDO Isabela, Teacher Marivic D. Castillo. Congratulations, Ma'am Marivic. From Macabebe High School, SDO Pampanga, Teacher Angelica Perez Kunan. Congratulations, Teacher Angelica. From Pulong Buhangin National High School, SDO Bulacan, Teacher Milet G. Hilario. Congratulations, Ma'am Milet. And from Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School again, SDO Camarines Sur, Teacher Maria Bernadette R. Corsado. Thank you, Ma'am Maria Bernadette. Thank you po. From Quirino National High School, SDO Isabela, Teacher Lara Melissa P. Manzon. Congratulations, Ma'am Lara Melissa. From Ocampo National High School, SDO Camarines Sur, Teacher Joe Angeli I. Ong. Congratulations, ma'am. From Godofredo Reyes Senior High School, SDO Camarines Sur, Teacher Jesseline G. Eje o Eje. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. From Alibadabad, tama ba? Alibadabad National High School, SDO Isabela, Teacher Ana Olga G. Pakleba. Maraming salamat po, Teacher Ana. From Banquero Integrated School, SDO Isabela, Teacher Michelle M. Nicolas. Ma'am Michelle, maraming salamat po and congratulations. From Malabon National High School, SDO Malabon City, Teacher Rogelio G. Anicete Jr. Thank you, Sir Rogelio, and congratulations. From Pangulo. Yes, last. From Pangulo National High School, SDO Malabon City, Teacher Elena D. Lorzano. Maraming salamat po, Teacher Elena. And lahat ng mahusay Teacher of the Quarter awardees, congratulations. And we are very thankful po ni Tutor Ichad and yours truly sa inyong suporta palagi. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Tutor Rainier. At maraming salamat and congratulations po ulit sa inyo pong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating session Totoo yun, Tutor Rainier. At nakakatawa dahil sa tambalan talaga natin ng Tutor Rainier, no? Ang dami nating partner na schools and partner na teachers, no? At mga learners na talagang consistently every week, Monday afternoon, nakatutok, manunood, nakafocus, sumasagot sa ating mga session. Ayan, Tutor Rainier. And last but not the least, syempre, i-award natin ngayong hapon ang ating Mahusay School Awards para sa Quarter 3 recognition. Tutor Rainier, tigkalahati po ulit tayo. Medyo marami-rami ulit ng konti.
Yes,
pero,
go.
Unahin ko na yung nasa unang slides. Ayan, salita na lang, Tutor Rainier. Ayan. So, una po, mula sa SDO Nueva Ecija, ang Kanaan East National High School. Thank you and congratulations po. Mula naman sa SDO Isabela, ang Ranyag High School. Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating mga partner teachers dyan at mga students na patuloy na nanonood at sumusuporta sa ating session. Mula naman sa SDO Batangas, ang Masagitsip Banalo National High School, ang school ni Jude. Ayan, Jude Michael Chansalin, Tutor Rainier. Thank you and congratulations sa ating mga learners. SDO Bulacan, ang Santa Lucia National High School. Ayan ang homeschool ni Tutor Marky. Ayan, thank you so much sa ating mga Santa Lucians. Ayan, nakikita ko palagi nagko-comment sa ating session. Ayan. At mula naman sa SDO Isabela, ang Quirino National High School. Ayan, yung pala, Ma'am Lara. Ayan, thank you so much po sa support po. Congratulations sa inyo pong recognition as Mahusay School of the Quarter. At ang school ni Teacher Angelica Perez Cunan at nila Rainiel Manabat de Vera, ang Macabebe High School mula sa SDO Pampanga. Thank you and congratulations. Ang paaralan naman ni Tutor Ram mula sa Doña Magdalena H. Gafud High School ng SDO Isabela. Ayan, congratulations po. And last, mula sa SDO Isabela pa rin, Tutor Rainier, ang Ramon National High School, kung saan natin makikita ang isa sa pinakamahusay nating teacher na si Teacher Donna Jill
Carriazo.
Yes. Tutor Rainier, ano-ano pa po ang mga paaralan na ating awardees ngayong hapon?
Ayan, from SDO Bulacan, Tutor Ichad, Pulong Buhangin National High School. Maraming salamat po at isa po kayo sa isang mahusay schools of the quarter. From SDO Isabela, Angandaan National High School, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. From SDO Apayao, Cupis National High School, ito po ay matatagpuan sa sa Corner Apayao. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And from SDO Camarines Sur, Ocampo National High School, from Ocampo, Camarines Sur, maraming salamat po. Congratulations. And again, from SDO Isabela, San Mariano National High School. Maraming salamat po. Knowledge is power. So from SDO Bulacan, Dr. Pablito V. Mendoza Senior High School, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And from SDO Camarines Sur, Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok at suporta. And from LFG Diamantina National High School sa Kabatuan, Isabela, SDO Isabela, maraming salamat po and congratulations. Pasalamatan naman natin si Tutor Ichad sa paggawa ng PubMat na to na napakahusay, very creative, para talagang pang Oscars, no?
Pang Oscars talaga.
At wala na akong masabi.
Thank you, Tutor Rainier.
Ang edtech talaga.
Meron pa tayong pang-edtech. Meron pa tayong susunod na 6, Tutor Rainier. Banggitin ko yung 3, tapos sino titira po sa'yo naman, Tutor Rainier. Mula pa rin sa SDO Isabela. Tutor Rainier, no, dapat meron tayong division, mahusay division of the quarter. No? Pasok na pasok ang SDO Isabela. Alibadabad National High School, maraming salamat dyan sa may San Mariano, Isabela. Ayan. Next naman po, mula sa SDO Isabela pa rin, ang Bangkero Integrated School. Ayan, congratulations po and thank you so much. At Tutor Rainier, no, nadagdag pa natin mula dyan sa SDO Ormoc City, sa Ipil, Ormoc City, ang Ipil National High School. Ayan, congratulations and thank you. Ang dami nating team replay, Tutor Rainier, sa Ipil National High School.
Okay.
Kaya sobrang natutuwa tayo at napakasaya natin na meron tayo, nakaabot na rin tayo ng Ormoc City, di ba? Kahit team replay, masayang-masaya na tayo dyan. Tutor Rainier, ano pa po ang ating mga mahusay schools of the quarter?
Yan, may umahabol pang 3 schools from SDO Malabon City, Malabon National High School. Yes, congratulations. And from SDO Davao City, F. Bangoy National High School. Maraming salamat po. From
Tutor
Sasa,
Rainier.
Davao City. Yes.
Ang school ni Tutor Rogar.
Okay.
Yes,
Ang
Tutor
ating
Rogar.
Science 7
Science
tutor
7.
sa F. Bangoy National High School. And ang ating last na mahusay school of the quarter from SDO Malabon City, ang Panghulo National High School from, of course, Malabon City. Congratulations.
Congratulations po. Yes, maraming salamat sa ating mga awardees and congratulations, no. Ang inyo pong mga certificates ay ipapadala namin within this week. Ayan, di ba, Tutor Rainier? So para at least matapos na natin, naka-ready na po yan sa akin. I-send na lang sa inyo para at least ma-recognize naman po natin, no, ang ating mga tutees, ang ating mga teachers, at ang ating mga schools. So maraming salamat po. At abangan nila, Tutor Rainier, ang ating pa-award para sa mga mahusay schools, yung mga schools talaga na i-recognize ng ating supportive schools ng ating DepEd EdTech unit. Ayan, congratulations and thank you so much. Ayan, Tutor Rainier. So kung meron silang reflections at iba pang katanungan at kung ano pang bahagi ng ating pag-aaral ng session ngayong hapon ang gusto nilang i-share lang nila sa pamamagitan ng ating hashtag Itulay Mahusay o yung nakikita nila sa marquee banner sa ibaba na hashtag Itulay
Level Up. And of course, kami po di Tutor Ichad ng SDO Malabon City and Tutor Rainier from SDO Caloocan City. Kami po ay lagi nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil kung wala po kayong Science 10 learners, teachers and enthusiasts, hindi rin naman namin po makukuha yung mga binibigay din po sa aming pagkilala or recognition mula nung first quarter hanggang second quarter. Kaya kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat dahil kung wala rin po kayo, wala rin po kami dalawa dito sa inyong harapan na nagtuturo po ng Science 10 every Monday 3 to 3:40 p.m. Live po tayo every Facebook page natin sa DepEd EdTech Unit at DepEd Itulay YouTube channel.
Yes, thank you so much, Tutor Rainier. Gracias, merci, grazie, shukran, jasilan.
Shukran.
Happy Ramadan, no, sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim, Tutor Rainier. Salamat po and thank you for comments and suggestions. I-email nyo po kami sa edtech@deped.gov.ph or i-scan ninyo ang QR code na nakikita nyo sa inyong mga phone screen para sa kahit na anong question, reaksyon, opinion, question na ginawa natin ngayong hapon sa ating session dito sa DepEd Itulay Science 10, Tutor Rainier.
At live naman din po up next from SDO Mabalacat City Tutor Edson, PH Red Cross Ormoc City Tutor Echo, and SDO Isabela Tutor Leo para sa kanilang disaster readiness and risk reduction para sa senior high school. Every Monday po, 4 to 4:40 p.m. Sunod na po sa ating Science 10.
Yan. At Tutor Rainier, magkita-kita tayo. Kailan ba yun? April, ano ba ang next natin na session?
Next week pa.
Next week pa. Ayan, so marami pa, medyo mahaba-haba pa ang ating magiging pahinga. Maraming salamat po at ingat po tayong lahat. Paalam po. Tutor Rainier, paalam.
Paalam. Maraming salamat, Tutor Ichad.
Maraming salamat po.